In 2026, the wax melt warmer market is buzzing with innovation. Join us as we explore the coolest 5 models. We'll evaluate performance, value for money, ease of use, and durability. Find product links in the description and first comment below. From first to fifth, we'll dive into each product's unique features. Let's kick off with our first highlight. Our first product is the candle warmer lamp with timer, which stands out with its adjustable height and dimmable function. This model is perfect for jar candles, doubling as a stylish room decor piece and a practical wax melt warmer. Its sleek design makes it a great addition to any home, adding both functionality and aesthetic appeal. Ideal for those who appreciate versatility, it offers a seamless blend of style and practicality for everyday use. The product's affordability does not compromise its quality, making it a value-packed choice for budget-conscious buyers. Overall, this lamp is a fantastic gift option for anyone who loves both candles and elegant home decor. Second on our list is the GODONLIF candle warmer lamp, featuring a 24-hour cycle timer and 2 bulbs for optimal performance. Its fall-themed design is perfect for seasonal decorations, especially during Halloween or cozy autumn evenings. The lamp's dimmable feature allows for customizable ambiance, enhancing the atmosphere of any room effortlessly. This model suits those who prioritize convenience, offering easy operation and reliable functionality. With its thoughtful design and practical features, it provides great value without stretching your budget. In conclusion, it's a smart choice for anyone looking to enhance their home decor with a touch of warmth and style. Our third pick is the Keshi Waxing Kit, offering a painless hair removal experience with 6 bags of hard wax beans. This kit is versatile, suitable for full body use, including legs, face, eyebrows, and bikini areas. Designed for both women and men, it caters to a wide audience, ensuring smooth results every time. The user-friendly design makes it ideal for beginners, providing a professional waxing experience at home. Its slightly higher price reflects the added convenience and comprehensive kit contents, making it a worthwhile investment. Ultimately, this kit is perfect for anyone seeking an at-home solution for effective hair removal. Fourth in line is the Tress Wellness Award-winning waxing kit, renowned for its safe and easy use on sensitive skin. This kit boasts a digital display for precise temperature control, enhancing user experience significantly. Its unique black and purple flower design adds a touch of elegance, making it a visually appealing choice. Perfect for face, bikini, Brazilian, and full body waxing, it caters to various needs with ease. Though priced higher, its award-winning status and advanced features justify the investment for quality seekers. In summary, this product is a top-notch choice for those needing a reliable waxing solution with a touch of luxury. Finally, we have the KOTAMU Waxing Kit, designed for both beginners and experienced users alike. Its pink digital wax pot warmer is not only functional but also adds a charming touch to your bathroom decor. Suitable for face, eyebrow, bikini, Brazilian, and body waxing, it offers comprehensive hair removal capabilities. With 25 included accessories, this kit is a complete package, providing everything you need for a salon-like experience at home. The thoughtful design ensures ease of use, making it a great option for those new to waxing. Ultimately, this product stands out for its combination of style, functionality, and value, rounding off our list beautifully.